got a bit of an oil pressure problem. Went out for a run yesterday, got it nice and hot, was out for about 30 miles, come back and at tick over the oil pressure warning light was coming on and there was no pea stream coming out into the oil tank. So we'll get that oil pressure release valve took off and see if we've got any problems with that. You do the usual thing and split yourself in half. Cap, spring, can we get on there?
A few minutes later.
So we're back. I've had to sacrifice a 1-inch socket on a lathe so it'll fit in between the casting and the nut. So hopefully you can now get that off. Crap design. That was bloody tight. Right, I'll get that inside, get it cleaned out. So I've cleaned the gauze filter out. I'll stick a picture up of that. It wasn't too bad, there's a bit of crap on it, but nothing serious. We'll measure the spring length. Spring length is, looking at the sheet, which I'll put a picture up of, should be 1 3/8 inch or 35 millimeters. I'll set that to mils because it's easier. 38.11. So yeah, that spring's good enough. I would test it on the load, but I haven't got a 3 kilogram weight. And the piston diameter should be 0.5605 to 6561. 560, 560, 560. Yeah, that's within tolerance. You can't quite see it because of GoPro zoom, but there is a few wear marks on that. So what we'll do, I'm going to stick it in the lathe and polish it up a little bit, give it a bit of a tickle, and I'm just going to clean the inside of that bore as well because that's a little bit dirty. So I'll get that done and then we'll get it put back together. So we've just got that lightly gripped. Of the piston to clean as well. While we're here, get it, and then we'll clean the internal bore of that as well. Don't worry, I'm not going to stick my finger in it. Grip it on the X, because I need to clean up anyway. Where's my thing gone? Oh, the thing. Where's my thing? Does that fit? Yes, that'll fit. Feels alright. Give that a clean out, get it lubed up, and we'll stick it all back together. So, got a bit of oil. Don't mix it up with my coffee, because that would not be funny. Get that nice coating. Lost my little oil can, don't know where that's gone. Put it in, solid ending, like that. Warm the spring because yeah, oil. New fibre washer. Screw it all together, he says, with ease. Nip it all up. We'll get that fitted. And we're back. Just put a smear of oil on the O-ring as well, just to stop it sticking in the future. Come on, get on. You know you want to. That'll do. Get the old pressure gauge back in and we're done. Sunny day, sun's out, might as well go check for leaks, huh? Thanks for watching, catch you later.